Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to discuss the PLC or the compact PLC that's being commonly used in the industry, and this the Siemens logo. Siemens logo has 4 outputs and 8 inputs and can be expanded based on your needs, on your design of the control. Siemens has different software for each PLC. As we know, these are schematic manager for S7300 and S7400. As of now, they call it schematic professional, and the portal for this S7 1200 series and 1500 series, and these are now the most commonly used by the programmer as of today. For this PLC, we're going to use the LOGOSoft Comport, and the latest version of this is 8.4. You can use the software even you don't have yet the PLC with you, or if you're planning to buy it in the future, and you may run and simulate your program for better review on your controls or the programs. So better to have a look on this software. So let's jump in. Okay, once you open the LOGOSoft Comport, it will show you your platform. This is your platform, and these are all your instruction block. On your left, you'll see the name of your program, circuit diagram, and here is your network project. This is where you add your PLC, or which version of the PLC you have. Just add new. The one I have here is Logo 8.3. As I mentioned before, the latest version is 8.4, but what I have here is 8.3, so we'll go ahead on that. So this is your PLC now, Logo 8.3, and the IP address is 192.168.0.2. If you are planning, or if you want to change it, you'll just double click the settings and just go to general, and you can change the IP address here if you want to make it 3. Then click OK. So now you had the IP address 192.168.0.3, and as I mentioned before, this is your platform. This is where you are going to build your program. So let's start making a simple program. So to do programming is just drag the input on this platform. Yeah, you can see now we have the input 1. Just double click it, and from here you can change the input number. As I mentioned before, you can expand your PLC based on your needs. So the maximum input of this PLC is up to 24 inputs. and we can write or we can label it as start push button. Okay, we can bring the output here, and the maximum output you can see is 20. We're going to use the input one and label it as lamp. Just to connect this is you had to drag this point to this point of your output. Let's see the simulation of this program. See, this line is blue. It means it's not active or it's not energized, meaning you don't have 24 volts on your output. So if I'm going to switch this input, become red. Yes, this is how we're going to simulate the program, but you can also make this push button a momentary to make it real. See, once I click it, once I remove the once I unpress the input, your 24 volts is out. The line becomes blue again. So let's get another black here. Let's use this latching relay. Let's delete this okay, I'm going to drag and I'll bring one more input 2 as the stop push button. And I'll make it momentary as well. Let's see how this program works. So to simulate, you see it holds the 24 volts, or it latches your output. That's the function of this black. And the second terminal is the reset. So I'm going to press this stop button. So now again your program stopped. Let's add another black. I will use this time a timer. I'll add another black here in between of our latching relay and the output. And I will set our timer to 5 seconds. Let's see the simulation again. You will see here the 0 seconds after we latch. It will count. 5 seconds before the output, or before our 24 volts goes into the output 1 or Q1, and when we press the stop push button, it will reset your time. So I hope you learned something today, and on the next video we'll tackle the rest of the function blocks in this software. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.